Very good place. Stayed at this hotel in July. It was very amazing. I wish I could know how this place is good in advance so I would book more nights. The staff is incredible. I recommend this hotel and for sure plan to come back. Amazing, this hotel is highly recommended. A fabulous building and wonderful garden. This is Tuscany. Superb food and service. I will visit again soon. Excellent, other than the confusing elevator everything else was perfect. Beautiful, this the best vacation what I ever had. The rooms are so beautiful. Great hotel. Had a great time, staff really friendly and so helpful. Food was great. Quiet area but lots of restaurants and shops around. Great that parking is free as we had a car and drove to quite a few different spaces. Entry to spa is really expensive and I would have expected this to be included, that's the only negative. Everything else was spot on and I would happily stay there again. Excellent. What a lovely place to stay, so much more than a hotel. We booked the wine tasting evening which included a tour around the house and grounds for €15. It was good value for money. We bought some of the lovely wine and olive oil which was very reasonably priced and very good quality. There was no pressure to buy if you didn't want to. Indoor pool was okay, would have liked to have used outdoor pool but it was closed. It was quite a steep walk up to the outdoor pool but views were fantastic. You can also find another restaurant up the hill too. We ate both nights in the main restaurant at the hotel and all meals were good. Rooms were large and attractive, only minor point was the shower was a little on the small side. We got the train to Florence which is a must. What a gorgeous place, the station only a 10 minutes walk away and the hotel printed timetable off for us. Took 50 minutes on the slow train there and got the fast one back which took 25 minutes. Personally I preferred the slower one as you can take in the scenery. I would definitely stay here again if in the area, loved it.